So as you can see, we've removed the rotten floor supports along with the outriggers and the cross members. All of this needed to be replaced. Luckily, just those parts were the issue. Frame rails have been cleaned and prepped. A little bit of weld-through primer in the areas that we'll be attaching the new outriggers to, along with the cross members and the floor supports. We'll be starting with our cross members and our outriggers. We're waiting on a few more floor supports, so I'll use the ones I have right now just to line everything up. And the most important part prior to this removal, I took measurements and made a diagram of where everything goes. All right, we're gonna get going on this, so stick around.
Fired up!
Alright, so we've got our cross member tacked in place. We've got our outriggers tacked in place. We're going to do the exact same technique now to do the rear outriggers. And we're going to move up to the front and do the front cross member and outriggers up there. It's a hot, rainy day. Humidity's through the roof, and I am just soaked under this jacket. Once everything's tacked in place, we're going to lift the van up and we're finish weld everything. Later, these cross members will spot weld on the top of these. Right. So here we have the floor support, our front outriggers, and our front cross member.
marked off where all the crossers are. So now I'm going to drill spot weld holes in all the low spots all the way along for every crosser and every floor panel, so I can weld these to the floor supports. Along with that, there's also an overlap. So on the overlapping panel, I will need to drill spot welds down where the seam's going to be to join the two panels together to stop them from rattling. So that being said, I got my 3/16 drill bit, recommended spot weld size, and we're gonna get to it. All right, we've got the rear cargo floor mocked up, lines marked for we're gonna weld for our spot welds. Got one last little panel to cut to fit in, and then we can start welding this up.